As a counsellor, I've felt for a long time it's a bit of a loss with taking people beyond finding out what their issues are in terms of how to process, resolve, heal and effect change. And I've been looking for something. Because I'd seen a lot of tapping videos, I did think, well, if it's something anybody can just follow a YouTube thing, how is there going to be 6 days of training? How is there all this extra? And what can it be? Because it just looks like a bit of tapping and saying these very simple things. So I couldn't see how it could be the actually enormously complex and deep process that it is. Well, from the first day, it was revelatory in how just doing even a really simple process, the physical healing thing, actually brought up emotional things, and then going on, how quickly you can tap into emotional things that can remain hidden for a long time just when you're talking about them. It's been mind-blowing for me, it really has. I did a training that didn't involve any experiential, something different, and we just didn't learn anything. You can't learn unless you're doing. And just how deep and far-reaching it is, and also the enormous connection that it creates very quickly with the other people in the group, and how healing that is, and holding. It feels like a lovely space to be in, but a space with energy and a space where growth is possible. It is magical, not a word I use often. So I went back to my birth yesterday, which is an utter surprise to me, in a very short exercise, and I realised I was sort of in the fetal position and experiencing all sorts of things. And since then it's brought up all sorts of memories, thoughts, pieces of knowledge that I want to explore that are now making sense to me at all. So that's been a really big thing for me. And the other thing that's been really interesting was how I've obviously have stored a lot of things down the left-hand side of my body, and that's where the emotions are felt as sensation, and that's very surprising to me too. I think the training has been fabulous. It's great to have a balance between you and Peter. Your experience and wisdom is so beneficial, but you manage to keep it light and fun as well, which is great. The shift between a bit of learning, a bit of listening, practice, and also a chance to talk to the support angels, really helpful, and sharing everybody's experience. I've been so excited to come every morning. It's been lovely. Just do it. You won't regret it. It will be transformational, and it will be exciting and interesting and fun.